Hey guys, my name is Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. So if you are a returning subscriber, I'd like to thank you for stopping back again. And if you are new to my channel, I'd like to welcome you. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to style your box braids. If you're wearing braids over the summer, I'm going to show you a few ways that you can, get creative with them. So if you want to see the looks that I come up with, stay tuned. Okay guys, so are you guys loving my braids or what? I did these myself. It took me about 15 hours to do. But not 15 hours straight. It took me like 2 days, but 15 hours total. So I'm going to show you a few ways. So we have the regular way. They're pretty long. They're down to here. So I'm going to show you a few ways. So we have the standard way. We just have it down. Then you could switch it up to the middle, right? All right, just the regular part in the middle. All right, let me look at my mirror, right? Then we could put it in a little top knot, or half up, half down, we should say, right? So just make sure you gather it up. And all you're going to do is just take one of the braids in the back and just wrap it around this part. And since the ends are very not blunt, you can just tuck them in somewhere, right? Right, that's the first look. You just have it in a little top, little bun at the top, and that's one way you could do it. Another way, all right, you're gonna almost do the same thing but a little different. We're gonna still gather, this much, but this time we're gonna do it, we're gonna wrap it around again. I should have left it how I had it. Wrap it around again. I'm gonna take this piece and I'm just going to wrap it around in a little top knot situation, right? And all you do is just take it and wrap it in like so. Make sure it's nice and neat. Okay, so that's another way that you could do it. Now let's take this down. We're going to put it back into the middle. All right. And I'm just going to do like a twist at one side. Okay. I'm going to use one of the braids here to wrap it around the root so it does not come apart. Now we're just going to take these two, right? And I'm basically just going to cross it like that. Like tie it kind of. I hope you guys can see that. You see that? Yeah, tie it. And then just tuck these in. Okay guys, something else that you could do, you could split the hair in half, right? Put this part up. As neat as you can. All right? Tuck the ends in. You put it to the side, or do you like your Janet Jackson? You pop it to the side, all right? Or you put it to the back, and then you can just get You're gonna grab 2 braids from underneath the back and just, you know, bring it around here like this and tie it. So basically you have it like that. It's basically off your face. If you're feeling a little hot, this would be a good option for you, right? Another way you could do it, you could bring everything down like this. You're gonna take a little bit from the front, right? You can make a braid, okay. And then do the same thing on this side. You can braid this one or twist it. But I think it looks nice in a braid. Now, we're gonna move these like that and just tie them to the back. Tie them like so, or you could put a scrunchie on it. You can just tie and tuck them in. You could tuck them in or you could leave them hanging. Like that. Right? Make sure that we're not seeing the ends of it. That's like a crown. You have like a crown. Okay, for the next one, I'm just going to, you know, bring it down to the front like that, and I'm going to just start twisting. And I'm going to twist this one down further. Twist it. So this one is going to be a lot lower than the other one. Now for this one, since it's so bulky and big, or so thick, I'm gonna use a scrunchie for this one. Right? It's like a bigger, it's like a crown, but a bigger crown. And just, you know, braid hanging. You can bring it back to the front, bring it to one side. Now guys, for the next one, I had to go off camera to put it in a bun. So I put it in a high bun. Everything is going up, right? And I'm just going to separate this part. Separate it into 2, right? And then I'm gonna wrap this one around to the front like that. Tuck it under, right? And get the other side opposite way now. And I'm just gonna wrap it, tuck it under, right? For this one, we're gonna get a little creative. I'm gonna get like a scarf that I have here. Scarf doesn't really match with anything. And I'm just gonna take it, fold it this way, fold it again, that way, from the back to the front, right? Like so. And just tie it. Tie it and twist it. So that's another way you can wear your braids. Nothing special, you know. If it's too hot, you don't feel like having it down, you can go for this option. Making sure my edges are covered up. And that's another way you could do it. And this is just another way that you could wear it, you know, without the scarf on it. You can just wrap it up in a top bun and wear it that way. See? Now I just took the bun down and I'm just gonna wear it like that. That's another way, right? So it's like a nice big ponytail. That one's also pretty. Now for this one, if you have it down and you know you don't feel like having it on your face or on your shoulders too much, you're just gonna go to the immediate, like to the side right here, and we're just gonna grab 2 braids, right, from each side. Take it around the back like that. And just tie it like that. Double tie it so that it won't get loose, or you can put a rubber band there. And that's it. Very simple. Simple style, simple styles, simple styles. Right? Just like that. These braids are versatile, so you know, you can play with them. You could wear it on one side, little flip over method here, right? You can even go further. You know, wear it on this side if you want to take some pictures and do a few different looks, right? Flip it over to the other side. It's just your, you know, your standard way, regular way. Now, if you really want to jazz it up a little bit, you can just put them down, right? We can get a hat. I have this hat here. I don't really wear hats, but I like this color. And you just put it on there. You could put it to the, you know, put it back a little bit on your head. That's another cute way you could wear it. Wear with a hat. Some people like to wear their hat in the back, like so. I like the hat. And that's another way. You can have it to the side, you know, the braids to the side, or just push the hat like so. What do you guys think of this one? Do you like this one? This one's cute. Okay guys, we have one more. This is just the standard way that most people would wear. A lot of people, not most, a lot. You know, just push everything back like that. Not really a half up because it's not as high. Like so. And just wrap one of the braids, a few of the braids around it, and tuck her in there. Like so. Bring it to the front. And that's how we style our braids. So I have one more. One last one. Okay? So we're just gonna get this beautiful scarf here. Right? Push the braids back like so, and we're just gonna tie this at the top, tie to the front. All right, make sure you tuck that in. And we're just going to tie this Make sure the sides are in like that, right? And we're just gonna wear it. We're just gonna wear it hanging down in the back. Like so. That's it. This is gonna be tied in the front, like to cover your edges. And that's all we have for this one. Okay guys, so we have come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoy these few styles that I came up with to style your braids. If you did enjoy, please give me a thumbs up. Also, please turn on your post notification bell so you'll never miss an upload from me. So until next time, I hope to see you very, very soon. Take care of yourself and each other.